There we are. Just might as well reel them in. Reel them in. There we go. Just like that. We went out of King River Outfitters with Ernie down there. And we've been catching some smallmouth. Not the biggest smallmouth of the day, but just a nice smallmouth, still the same. Judy's gonna release it now, and we'll go and try and catch some more. These, we caught this one on a shaky head. We've caught some others on soft plastics, but it's a Kings River smallmouth right there. Look at him go. You can see him swim. That's some clear water right there. I'm telling you. Look at red eyes.